I know.
Mine's too long.
Those are the ones that I have on my manager. I just didn't know because I know you guys were talking to we've had different conversations. So I just wanted to make sure. I knew that.
So I think from what it sounded like, it was